you used this yet? The floats?
Kayak down the GoPro.
Huh. If you haven't figured out what we're doing, we're putting a trolling motor on a kayak with wood and steel.
Cheap, down, and dirty. Trolling motor attachment.
I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work.
Why wouldn't it?
I don't see why I wouldn't. All right, now here, show you first exactly how we do it. 4x4, 2x4. Got some steel supports there. Bunch of wood screws and the washers. On the inside of the kayak, we've got a block of wood so we can kind of sandwich them for extra support. And now is the moment of truth.
It is actually really strong.
Yeah,
I mean,
really.
It's
I don't think we're gonna have a problem. You baby.
I was thinking, you know, after we get this all done, take it all back apart, but tape it off and paint it gray. It'll blend right in. Like you won't even. I'm planning on maybe trying to cut this down because really, you don't really need 10 foot sticking out.
I'm just gonna hang a big American flag on top of it.
It says America.
That's a fucking job.
Success?
Well, that's a job well done right there.
Success.
We should have been engineers. You can't make this stuff. You just can't do that. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Look how perfect that is.
It's a beautiful thing.
Wow.
Cool story behind this. My father actually picked this up for me at a local auction. I think he paid $3 for it. And so far, all we have is our time and $3 invested into it. We had the metal, we had the wood, we had the screws. So,
Unbeatable experience. Unbeatable. We'll get that bitch out. You can mark where you want them too. That way you can just.
we also have different height adjustments for the trim on it.
We don't need no trim.
Yeah, you know. In case you want to put a 30-pound thruster on this bad boy.
I don't know how it works.
Looks like.
Boom.
So,
Streamlined. Doesn't sag down and hang low. It's pretty level. It sticks out just a little bit, like it's trimmed up, but that's fine.
kind of want that wood. Obviously, that's the way it is. Well, maybe.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's not bad.
We might be able to get a couple more degree out of it just by moving it up a little bit, but that's all the way down. I mean, let's do a strength test.
Ooh, wait a minute.
Strength test. Okay. All right, that's strong enough. If I can pick up the whole kayak. I like that. So I think you could get hung up on something and not rip it off. I mean, hell, that's the only thing that wobbles.
That's all play in the actual.
But you can take that out. Tighten that up.
Well, that just keeps you going straight at all times.
Well, I'm saying you can still twist it, but you can take play out. I like it. It's gonna be the fastest kayak you've ever owned. Steering. And function. Obviously, these, along with many other wires, are gonna have to be extended.
Yes. So this is kind of, I don't know, kind of what we have.
Okay, so we've got our mount made. 2x4, 4x4, some steel brackets to help hold it. Just mounts on there so it's easily removable. We've got our steering bracket kind of in the works here. This is just a temporary idea we've got going on here. We were thinking the cord would move this and turn the whole thing, but we might go a different path. But yeah, the mount is done. It's strong, it's sturdy, it's adjustable. This thing ain't going nowhere. And I'm proud of it. I think we've done good. I think it's all good. But apparently, you know, obviously it's not done yet. So we'll be doing a part 2 to this series. Part 2 where we'll be mounting the battery. We'll be mounting the switches up in the, we'll call it the dashboard. In the dashboard here. And the control panel. Basically what we're thinking is we'll be taking this switch panel here that's already got your controls. We'll just take it out and mount it straight to the kayak up there. So you already got, you know what controls what. There's no question about it. Straight up to the point. And then we've still got to figure out our steering. I think it's just a small brain fart that we're having right now. But steering, controls, mount the battery, which will be really easy. And this baby will be on the water. You guys will see it in part 2. I'm not giving them time frame because I have no idea when it's going to happen. But part 2, we'll do part 2, and this bad boy will either float or sink with him in it.
He's going
like it. I'm going to watch is what I'm going to do.
So now, what we are going to do now, we're going to go catch some fish because fishing's life.
Fishing's life. One more cast at that.
Got one. Oh, it was a good one.
It's putting on the show, ain't it?
Yeah. Fighting a little bit.
Okay. Okay. Huh? It's not huge. Oh god. Maybe. I don't know what I'm doing. He's not hooked very well. Ugh. He's about 3. He's got a stick in his throat. I'll try to get that out of there for him. That's a chunky, healthy fish. I like it.
Good, didn't it?
Big old girl right there. You want to hold him? Huh? You want to hold him? He's as big as you are. You want to hold him? I think he made a mistake. I think he was supposed to go for your worm and he accidentally got mine. You'll get the next one though. You'll get him. Alright, I'm not going in the water. Here we go. Ugh.
You got one. Reel it in. Reel it in. You got one.
I got one.
What? What? Reel it in, buddy. Reel it in.
Reel it in.
He's a big one.
He is a big one.
Oh man, that flower. Oh, it's messing you all up.
Oh.
Reel it in.
No.
It's big.
Now you're messing him all up.
It's big.
That's almost as big as your pole.
Yeah. I got one.
Told you. Look at this hook set.
That's a good hook set.
You gonna throw him back?
Yeah.
Smile. Good job. Smile for him.
Smile.
Hey, hey, tell him scores 1-1.
Oh, 1-1. We're tied up.
Throw it back.
There he goes. The release.
You got one.
You got one? You got one?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh.
Another big one. That's the same fish as earlier.
Yeah, just like yours.
He is just like yours.
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa.
Big one.
Oh, he's mad, ain't he?
Yeah. Whoa, there's happy. He has something in his mouth.
Hmm?
He has something in his mouth. He has a fish in his mouth. Whoa.
Wow.
It's big and mine.
Yeah, he's a little bigger, but yours was nicer.
Yeah. Mine's not. It's big as yours.
Yeah.
This is like all of them.
You want to hold him?
So,
No, you scared of him?
Scared of big fish.
All right. Say bye. Another about 3-pounder. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget there's going to be a part 2. Part 2. This is a little two-part series here we got going on. I've already filmed part 2. I'm going to be doing the editing and all that stuff, and it's going to be up in a couple days. So you guys make sure you subscribe if you want to see the next part. And I promise you, you're not going to want to miss this. It's pretty funny, and let's just say I got very surprised. But anyways, like I said, guys, part 2 coming up here in just a few more days. It's a good one, guys. I promise you're going to like it. So, like I said, don't forget to subscribe if you want to make sure you get to see that. And don't forget to share this with friends. If you know any of your buddies want to be doing any kind of kayak modifications, let us know. Maybe we can do them for you, and we take out the hard work for you guys. We'll do the hard part. We'll get these creations in the works, and we will do the trial and error for you. That way, all you gotta do is watch the video, see the result, and you can take it from there. If you want to do it, good. If not, don't worry about it. But again, thanks guys for watching. I truly appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in part 2.